Welcome to Sunday's workout. Here we are. We've got a nice little warm up here, as many rounds as possible in 4 minutes. So just going to move for 4 minutes. Run, bike, row for 30 seconds. Okay, or toe taps, any cardio movement, butt kicks, high knees. Okay, so we just make do with what we got today. Then 5 side plank rotations. So that is going from your side. That could be an elbow or straight arm plank, rotating to the other side. Air squats and 10 bent over rows. Okay, so just take it easy on here. Bent over rows can be with 2 dumbbells, 1 dumbbell, a kettlebell, a backpack, anything that you have going on. Okay, so let's get into our workout today. All right, just like in the warm-up, we have another AMRAP here for 16 minutes. Okay, very similar to the warm-up. A minute 30, bike, row, run, ski, erg, whatever you have. Okay, jump rope, any cardio movement, butt kicks, high knees, all of them are applicable here. All right, then we're going into a 30-second hold on the star side plank. So on a star side plank, your arms and legs are up off each other, so you kind of look like you're in the star position. Then switching to the other side, air squats, and then bent over rows. Okay, this is a double bent over row, so if you have 2 dumbbells, you're moving both arms at the same time. Okay, let's see if there's a finisher today. And today's finisher is a nice easy yoga cool down. Okay, so we're going to go 3 to 5 minutes, whatever time you got here. So it's down dog, up dog, and child's pose. So you'll see a video of this flow in the movement demos. Just take it nice and easy. This is a really cool cool down for Sunday. Okay, we'll see you starting on Monday. Have a wonderful day.